Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Look at me, now I'm bigger than life, hitting bricks in the mix, running out of time. Now question what could be in this box. Go all in or get squashed. Originated where the phrase went up, so I'm getting that coin and the points above. And the shell bounced back like what the fuck? Shoot fireballs, now they're running amok. Man-eating plants with teeth in the pipes, guys in the clouds and turtles throwing knives, jumping through the picture, space in the sea. Now I'm wondering what kind of mushrooms are these. This here kingdom is a really big sea, for the both of us Bowser, well not for me. Gotta keep moving for the princess peace, so here we go into the drain.
Welcome to the Bowser Show, son. I bows to no one, not a teenage ninja, but I injure kingdom. So one claim that Mario's in first place, and I'll paint myself blue and hurl it straight at that jerk's face. And I'm still winning the game since I first reigned, and still no need for surnames. So feel the tension while the world waits. I give you shakes, I got you nervous like a first date. This verse aches from the weight on my wordplay. I cause earthquakes when I shout aloud, cause when Bowser growls